wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rug shampooers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you often have to deal with small messes and don't plan on cleaning all your carpet, the Rug Doctor Spot 93390 might be all you need. Though it is compact, it offers very strong suction and has separate tanks for the solution and wastewater. It comes with a retractable handle at a budget-friendly price. However, the sprayer is prone to clogging. At number 9, the Bissell TurboClean Powerbrush Pet can help prevent an aching back and tired legs, as it weighs in at a modest 12 pounds. Its handle collapses to save you some room in storage too. It's equipped with a removable nozzle and 4 rows of bristles, but its suction isn't very strong. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Koblenz P820B doesn't suck up the liquid, which could be a problem in humid places or areas without good airflow, but it is more versatile than many others, as it boasts the ability to wax, scrub and buff hard floors, as well as shampoo carpets. It features a heavy-duty motor and gears, 3 speed settings, and a 12-inch wide cleaning path. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rug Shampooers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, even if you're dealing with very stubborn stains like grass or blood, the Bissell Big Green should be able to remove them. It's also effective at getting rid of lingering odors, so if you're plagued by wet dog smells or worse, it can probably help. It includes a 9-foot attachment hose and is backed by a 5-year warranty, though it does suffer from occasional issues with leaking. Moving up our list to number 6. If you need a commercial-grade machine for your business that can handle heavy use, the Sanitaire Restore SC6100A is a suitable option. It offers powerful edge-to-edge suction and cleans on both forward and backward passes. This is a dual-motor design that penetrates deep into fibers and comes with a detachable 35-foot cord. Halfway up our list at number 5. You probably wouldn't want to take on all your flooring with the Bissell spotbot, but for small issues such as pet messes, it's more than up to the task. It features a hands-free mode, so you can go about your business as the machine does the work. It offers quick and deep clean settings and includes a tool for stairs. It comes in a compact size for easy storage. At number 4, featuring a triggerless design, the Hoover smartwash automatically mixes and dispenses cleaning solution, allowing for a hassle-free operation. It's equipped with a removable wand for spot treating troublesome stains, which should make them easier to remove. It picks up pet hair well and includes a dedicated drying mode. This one's suitable for high pile carpet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 is a professional-grade machine that features a 3-step cleaning process. It's designed to both brush and flush out dirt, which it then sucks back into its recovery tank along with soiled water. It usually requires just a single pass and includes a handheld attachment and a large reservoir. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rug Shampooers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hoover PowerDash Pet comes in at an affordable price and uses heat to help your carpets dry relatively quickly after cleaning. It's lightweight and compact and easy to maneuver and doesn't require much storage space. It's equipped with a separate tank for dirty water and provides antimicrobial protection. It's a good choice for small homes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, combining strong suction with 2 brushes that scrub deeply, each of which has 10 rows of bristles, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Liftoff should be able to get rid of stubborn stains. It's equipped with a detachable unit for convenient use on stairs. It includes an upholstery attachment and a crevice tool, and it maintains a consistent water temperature. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rug Shampooers, or simply click beneath this video.